guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the gameplay of the new brawler Nani. It's an epic brawler, and it's supposed to be a fighter, and its star power is autofocus, which I think is a great star power because the super of Nani Peep, it deals up to 2500 extra damage based on his travel distance. And its gadget is Nani can detonate Peep and teleports where she detonates it, and I think it's a great gadget. So let's go with Nani. I think Brawl Ball is not that great for Nani, but Siege is awesome. Let's hop on to a battle of Siege. The map is some assembly required, and our teammates are pretty great. I think 8-bit is very good at Siege because he can control the map, and same for Mr. P because his minions are pretty great in controlling the map. So let's go. Okay, we are winning. The Rosa can be a potential threat if the 8-bit doesn't. Okay, he eliminated her. So Nani's range I think is pretty great, and I hope they don't nerf her like they did to Sprout, because then the whole spark of the new brawler goes away. Okay, shit, someone killed me. That's why the Peep just went away. Anyways, yeah, so I was talking so they nerfed Sprout's star power range from 50%, which seriously I think is not good, because the craze of Sprout was because of his stats, because of that star power, and now it's all gone. Okay, that Pam's a problem. Currently I think we'll win this one easy, so I think I'll damage that Colt with my Peep. Yeah. Oh, that's some damage. Okay, I'm dead. Anyways, so Siege, Nani is pretty good in Siege because the Peep can damage the IKEA, and without taking the damage, because you can't harm Peep. It's like he does not exist, because he's not like Tick Super, which you can damage and blow up, but its damage is also pretty good. The one thing in Siege best about Nani is that it can just use its gadget to teleport there. So you just unleash Peep near the IKEA, and then you just unleash him. Unleash the gadget, and then you just suddenly find yourself over there, and then you have 3 whole shots to kill the IKEA. Anyways, so these are some of the reasons I like playing Nani in Siege. Oh, I wasted that super on Pam. Okay, this is a win, clear win, and its range is pretty OP. So this was an easy win thanks to my partners, even though I'm really bad at. The next mode I think Nani is great at is Solo Showdown, and personally Feast or Famine is one of the best modes for me to play her, because it's direct combat without. Oh, I got confused with Forsaken Falls and Feast or Famine. So yeah, according to me, Forsaken Falls is the best for Nani in solo. So Spike was known as the time killer, but I think that Nani will succeed. Okay, please don't judge me. I'm really bad at playing Nani. I've just started playing with her, and I'm not that great. So anyways, let's try our hand at another showdown and hope we fare better than the last one. I think that Dynamite will be killed by Frank. Okay. Yeah, I'm going after the Frank because in the time span he attacks, I'll okay, I don't want to get in range for a super. Oh, thank God. Anyways, Frank's running away. Anyways, he should be dead until now. What am I doing? If only I can charge my super. Now he's dead. He's dead. Hey, Frankie. Oh, that's OP. there's a, people call it a glitch, but I call it a trick that if you get a duo showdown partner Bo, and then you just Bo places his gadget, and then you just stay as Nani over there and keep unleashing your supers. I think it's quite OP, and Supercell might, glitch or do something. I'm too bad at it. Anyways, you get the thing I wanted to share. So now I'll try to play him in. So, Hot Zone, according to me, is also it's good, but they Supercell have kicked Hot Zone out of the game mode, so I don't think it's coming again. But let's go. According to me, Nani is very good in Bounty too, so I'm gonna try Bounty Snake Prairie so that Nani could just creep up to their opponents, and then they're like, oh, come on, let's go. So I think the opponent is, the Frank. Okay, so then the Dynamo. Oh god, thank god its star power was not that one, otherwise I was dead meat. Shit. Okay, that Frank's dead. Oh my god. Oh, that spike. Is Peep charged? No, Peep's not charged. That's not good. Oh my god. Okay, now is the fun part. Oh, double kill. That was so cool. Double kill. I did not know Peep could do that. Oh my god. Oh shit. Again double kill. But this time I only killed one. Oh shit! Oh my god, that was bad. Anyways, people handle it. Say hello to Peep, guys. Oh my god, no! I missed! Shit! I missed. Damn. Okay, it's 25 for 28. We can still win this unless that... Oh, I hate when Spike, creeps up on like... Oh god, I'm dead. Shit. Okay. Dynamite's the reason we are, nearly there until now, because I am playing pretty bad. Yeah, and I don't like accepting I'm playing pretty bad. Oh, come on. Okay, it's 29. Damn. We need someone with a 4-star. Oh, come on. Seriously. Yes, it's 32 for damn. 34. Oh god, I'm so bad at this. Anyways, so the shop's been updated. Okay, I like El Primo's gadget, but unfortunately I don't have enough coins to buy it. So, and nope, I don't need any power points. Anyways, so. And heist is also, so one trick I want to show you in heist. Let's go. So in this, it's like you can just use Peep to creep up to the safe, and then you can just unleash your 3 shots on them. And I love the Sandy Gems map in heist because it can help us to hide. Oh damn! Mr. P's range is too good. Oh boy. Anyways. Peep is nearly charged up. Oh my god, that is a big shit. Yeah, Nani's moving fast. Nani's moving fast. Come on. So its damage is like nearly 6,000 in 3 bullets. So I think that's pretty sick. I only unleashed 3 bullets and 20% of the safe is down. So it's like 5. So guys, this is it won't go well if that Frank keeps attacking. So this is one of the tricks I've been meaning to show you. So you just take Peep and then take the Peep near their safe and just teleport there and boom. Oh, that Frank might. Okay, it's 61% are safe and 54 there. I think we'll win this one. I hate Mr. P, I'll be honest with you. every time it's not Jackie, it's not Frank. He's the one who always eliminates me. So anyways, it's going pretty well for me. That Max is not faring well there. I hope that Jackie doesn't kill me. Anyway, so okay. Oh shit! Oh god, come on. That Frank. Oh no, if he unleashes the super there and stuns all of. Oh, he used the super already. Anyways, Nani's fast. She's running. She's running. Okay. Okay, let's just eliminate this dude first, and otherwise he might kill me. Okay, we're going for the save. This time we'll just damage it, and then we'll walk in the shadows. Okay, not shadows, grass, but still shadows. Done, and that's how it's done, guys. So I think the best game modes for Nani is Showdown, Heist, and Siege. She could do good in Brawl Ball too, but I don't think. Yeah, one more. Yeah, there's a trick in Brawl Ball which I remembered right now. It's pretty good. I'll show you. So let's go. It's a decent map for Brawl Ball, but I hope we could win this. Oh my god, look what she did to them. Yeah, and it's a noob Ems too because she's not going for that ball. She could have scored. So you know this thing I wanted to try. You know, like you could just. Oh come on! Are you serious? It's not the Hyper Bear. I hate the bear with me star power, man. Hyper Bear is way too good with the gadget. So let's go with Peep. The ball's there, and that's. You could just do this, and then you know. Come on! What the hell, man? Okay, noobs. No, not noobies. Okay, shit. That cornered me, man. Oh my god, this Nita is a noob Nita. She could have, unleashed the bear near them and then used the stun, but no, she had to be stunned. Oh my god. And now the Ems. Ems is good in combat, but okay, I'm a noob too. I'm no good either. And why the heck did? Oh my god. So let's kill that dumb tick who's been irritating me since the start of the match. Oh no. What? No, shit. Oh my god, I wasted P. Oh my god, I'm gonna lose this one now. I'm just not a Brawl Ball guy. I'm not a Brawl Ball guy. I personally think Brawl Ball is one of the not so great modes in, Brawl Stars. Because I'm not good at it, of course. So we lost this one, guys. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. And please do not troll me because of my bad performance in Brawl Ball. Signing off, Seaweed Brain Gaming. See you later. So guys, I think I am planning to do a face reveal if I reach 100 subscribers, which is like in the dreams, like there's no way it's gonna happen, but still I hope it will happen one day. Adios.